Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of the left and right earbuds are different. So firstly, let's get started with open the application, and we should check if you have the last software version. So go to the settings at the right top, and right here we have update, click on it, and I have the last version. If you haven't, just install a new one and it can fix your problem. Also, what we can do is to perform a hard reset, so let's make it. Firstly, you should turn off your earbuds, so press and hold on the both of touch areas until you can see that the LED light right here is start to be red. Here we go, we turn off it, and now press and hold for at least 10 seconds on both of the touch areas to perform a hard reset. So firstly it enter to prank mode, and after that, now we perform it. So release your finger, and firstly we should remove it. Click the information icon or settings icon. Forget this device, forget device. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and after that we should turn on it. So press and hold on the both touch areas. Here we go, it entered to prank mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list. Click on it. And we did it. Maybe it fixed your problem. The last method, the last option what I can recommend it to you is to fully charge your earbuds and check. Maybe it fixed your problem. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.